Coming at you with the Scion IQ, and I'm going to do a sound check on the engine. Yesterday when I started it, it made a noise that I haven't heard before outside of what I thought was a heat shield making a rattling sound, but this was a little bit deeper. It came from the engine by the sound of it, and a lot of people are talking about it on the forum. So I thought I'd videotape this cold start this morning. And as you can see, it's the Scion IQ, the one I call the R01. So what I'm going to do is put this on the tripod, start the engine, and see if it rattles. It's probably piston slat, my guess. Okay, I'm going to start it right. Seems to be intermittent. I don't know why it didn't do it, but it didn't. So